How to see your FPL ID. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can find or see the FPL ID. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up your preferred browser, then head over to fantasy.premierleague.com, then log in into your account. Once you're signed in, navigate to this menu bar right here on your interface. Navigate to top left and head over to Pick Team option. Under Peak Team tab, scroll down a bit. Now you have to head over to your game week history. Once you click on it, navigate to the URL at the top. There, you have this URL right here. And at the end point, there you have this code right here. So that is your FPL team ID. From here, you could simply copy the ID. So that's it. That's how you can see your FPL ID. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.